Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to customize the heads-up display or the HUD on the Mecha Break. So all you have to do is launch the game on your PC or on your console and sign into your account, and you should get to this page. And then from here, simply select the menu option at the bottom right corner, or alternatively, you can simply press the designated button on your keyboard or on your controller to bring up the menu. And then from the menu options that appear, select Settings. Now within the settings, all you have to do is select accessibility and ensure that you're in the general section, and then scroll until you find the HUD or the heads-up display, and then just beneath that option you should see the option custom layout. So all you have to do is select change layout, and then from here you should see how your heads-up display looks like in the game. Now if you'd like to customize this, you can simply, let's say for instance, if you like to move this option, the debuff alert option, you can simply select it and then drag it to any position that you'd like within the HUD. So if you want to put it there, you can put it there. Also, if you'd like to zoom or to enlarge it, you can simply enlarge it. Or if you'd like to reduce the size, you can simply do that. Or if you'd like to hide this option, you can simply select hide, and that particular option will be hidden. So you can show or hide it if you'd prefer. Then once done, you can simply click on an empty space and continue with the other options. So let's say for instance, if I want to move this main weapon, you can select it and then simply drag it to any position that you prefer. So if it's somewhere there, you can select that. And also you can increase the size of it or reduce the size. Or if you'd like to hide it from the HUD, you can simply hide it and all that. Once you're done, click on an empty space and repeat the same process for all the other items that are currently available. So let's say for instance, if you'd like to show or hide the scoreboard, you can select it and hide it and display it. You can also drag it to any place on the HUD. So let's say for instance, if you want to put it somewhere there, you can select it there, and you can also increase the size or reduce the size depending on your preferences. So let's say there, and then you select it, and then repeat the same process for all the other options that are currently available on the HUD. Once you're done, simply select return, and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.